That's a bit. So there are two ways to go about this question. One is graphically, and the other you can use a quadratic formula because this is a quadratic equation. It is the exponent is squared. So if I add this to a graphical app, even a graphical calculator, so this is the shape I get, and what it's asking me is to find the roots. When the equation is equal to 0, that means y is 0, which is the x-axis, the horizontal axis. So in this case, now you have two places where it intersects the axis, and these are the points. So one value for x would be negative 0.77, and the other would be negative 3.22. So that's one way, and this is using roots. So that's method A. So the second method is the quadratic equation. That's in your formula booklet. That's minus b, oops, plus minus b squared minus 4ac square root over 2a. Now let's figure out which is a, b, and c. So in this case, this is a. Actually, this is a. This is b because the sign is included, and this is c. So we have a is 2, b is 8, and c is 5. So if you replace the values, so these are the two options you get, right? And as you can see, you get the same response. In this case, the calculation negative 0.77 and negative 3.22. So this is the two ways you can go about a quadratic equation.